Yo, welcome back. So, I made the new boss. Now, this is like the first iteration of the boss because I'm not too happy with it. I went with a bullet hell stage, which I'm not a big fan of. But you know what? It was a rough day for inspiration, right? So I just did the best that I could, and yeah, we got a boss. At least it's functional. It does stuff. And we're getting close to that end period where it's just going to be down to um, polishing the game, right? And adding some more stuff, right? Just polishing the levels, adding a couple more levels, add a couple of menus, and then we're done. No, we're finally done. We're getting to the to the pre-launch stage, right? Post-production. We're getting there. Anyways, let me show you. I'm going to use the controller. I'm going to go hard mode to begin with. No, pardon me. No upgrades. This is going to suck. Right? Wait, it's already sucked because I didn't change the thing on my controller. Right. So this guy is like the Mennonite, right? So this is the guy that went bad and has done all the bad stuff, right? I'm lore is still a work in progress, right? Okay, so this is the bullet hell stage. Oh god, my eyes are really bad, so I'm gonna suck at this every single time. But I lived. No, Dang it. I should have gone the other way. Alright, so that was the bullet. I mean, we got to the bullet hell within the first try in hard mode, no upgrades. So I'm happy. It's fine. Let's cheat. If you're trying this game on desktop, you can press the Q key to open the shop wherever you are, and then you press the W key to give yourself 100 coins, so you can max out if you want. Now I'm gonna simulate that I've been playing the game, and I got like 3 hearts. Let's say I got some of those. I got 2 upgrades on those and 2 damage upgrades. Right? No bombs. Alright, this is the best we could. We spent all our money here. And we got to this. Let's see if I can beat him now. So this is gonna... I'm already sucking at this. Alright, so I was gonna say, this is gonna make a huge difference already. Because now we have the damage upgrades. So it doesn't take so long to get to the... between the stages. So we can like burn him through. Let's burn him through this one. Oh god, already. I was hit. Can I? There we go. Oh! Where'd you come from? Yeah, I suck at this. Okay, one last try. One last try. And then we move on. You gotta remember, my eyes are really bad. But still, I do my best to try and beat him, and I see if it's possible to beat him. Now, I'm not just, like, making possible bosses. This should be easy. It's just... I have a handicap, okay? Let's say we only got 2 of those. Let's say we got 1 more of those, alright? Alright. Okay, first stage, bullet hell. This should be really easy for you guys. But for me, I have like 0 peripheral, right? So this is a nightmare for me. I'm a game developer, not a gamer. Well, not anymore. No, before I went blind. Oh! Where you go? I used to play all sorts of games. Like, RPGs was always my favorite, right? But platformers are like my childhood. And I think a lot of people's childhoods. If you're in your, like, 30s and 40s... Oh, God, I forgot about this. Yeah, where'd you come? Hey, we did it! Okay, so that wasn't so bad. Right, that's meant to send you to the logo screen if you went through the game properly. But yeah, that's what I got so far. We didn't get to see much of the fire. I didn't do a lot of testing with upgrades. I did it without upgrades. But we can fix that by giving him just a smidget more health, right? Wait, that's level 1. Let's get to the boss event. I'm not sure if 30 health is okay. It feels fine. It's just the last stage, the one with the fire. We didn't get to see it. It only happened once because I blasted through him. So, I don't know. Let's give him 35 health. This is the regular moves. Do I do anything with this? No. Go left, go right. And here we go. This is the fire. I'm going to make it start happening at 10 HP instead of 5. And now we need to adjust the special moves. So the special moves, they happen at, I think it was 22 the first. There we go, 22. Now that we have 35, let's make the first 10 hits like warm up. So 25. And then the rest is fine. So you have 10 hits with nothing happening. And then 15. So another 10. And then the last one is 5. Okay. This should be fine. Right? This should be okay for now. So yeah. I'm going to sheep this. Ship. There you go. Sheep. I'm going to bad this. I'm going to ship this so everybody can try. I've already connected level 16 to the rest of the game. So there's only one more level. There's only one extra level and the last boss just for testing purposes. I didn't feel the need to make a bunch of levels because they're all going to be slightly the same, right? There's the new assets, right? The soldiers and these things. So there's no need for a whole bunch of more stuff. I'll do that when it comes to like actually building the game, right? So right now we have the core. It's 17 levels, right? 3 bosses. 3 of those levels are bosses. And that's it. I'm going to go with that for now. So I'm just going to expand what we got so far. And yeah, we'll see what else comes. You know, more mechanics, all that jazz. But for now, I think this is a cool game. It's not amazing, right? It's not mind-blowing. It's not. It doesn't innovate anything. It's just cool platformer for you to enjoy. Like, you play once or twice, you beat it, and you go, that was fine. You know? Ow. Yeah, doing this without upgrades is kind of... And it's the wrong song because we didn't go through the thing, right? Through the boss time. And we can use some bombs as well. Doo-doo-doo. Oh my god, I'm so bad at this game. Who made this game? I gotta complain. I haven't fixed the hitboxes. Oh, you know what? Enjoy that. That's another balancing thing that I haven't done. Is the stacking the bombs. Seeing just how well that goes. Ah. Anyways. It's tough for me, okay? I can't play bullet hells. But that works. I think there was plenty room to dodge. Try it out, guys. Have fun with it. I'm just talking in circles, honestly, because this devlog should just be like, there's a boss. Ta-da! I connected everything. Have a try. Demo's done. I'm gonna start building stuff now. There you go. That took like 10 seconds. Yeah, I got nothing else. This is all I did today. I wasn't inspired. Life has sucked past couple of weeks. I've been dealing with a lot of stuff, so not really inspired for gaming. But I imagined this. I made this happen, and hopefully, before the game launches, I'll do a couple of revisions on the levels and the bosses, and I'll make them a bit cooler. But for now, I like this. This is a cool. It's a cool mechanic, right? He's going from back and forward. You can't knock him back. You can't stun him. You need to jump over, and every time you jump over, you get within the range of the gems, and they shoot at you, right? So you have one more thing to dodge. And when he's critical, when he's 10 HP now, he starts shooting fireballs, right? If he's on one side, he shoots the reds. If he's the other side, he shoots the blues, right? I need to fix the sound a little bit, but I think it's a cool mechanic. And it's not cool. It's not amazing, right? It's not Elden Ring. But it's a platformer boss, you know? Beats jumping over Bowser to hit the axe. I'll tell you that much. Uh, you know? I don't know. I love Mario. I'm being a jerk. Sorry, Mario. I love you. Anyways, that was it. I'll catch you guys next devlog. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're enjoying the game. I hope you're enjoying the journey. I am. I'm seriously enjoying playing this game and like building this game. You know? And I'm already thinking about the next one, which is going to be a roguelike top-down RPG as people like it. I'm still trying to decide what genre. I'm thinking like tactical RPG, right? With roguelike, which should be kind of fun, right? I like that kind of genre. Anyways, catch you guys next episode. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, all that jazz. It really helps. And I really appreciate the support. Right. I'm gonna go get some rest after I bought this. After I sheep this. After I ship this stuff to GDev games so you guys can try it out. Right. Link in the description. Till then, can you see me? You can. It's still light, right? Yeah, there we go. Look at my handsome face. My beard is coming back. I feel like a man again. All right. I'll catch you guys later. Have fun.